Hello beautiful friends, welcome back again for another garden tour. I just cutting my grass. It is not bad. I can do better, but I'm tired. That's all I can do, and I just put the sprinkler on. But so far it's the front garden. It's beautiful. I like it, and I didn't put fertilizer yet, guys. I don't know what the last time I add fertilizer on this garden because I'm always busy, always doing something. But everything you see here, when you said organic, it's organic. I don't put no fertilizer, but I want to put fertilizers because I do not have time to add fertilizer on them. I hope this year. Oh my God, look at how beautiful is this. Oh shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh my God, this flowers is so beautiful. The yellow one with the orange one. Look at this here. The sprinkler on, and I don't want to wreck my camera, guys, but that's what I got on this side. Look at this side over here, and I really want to change this side. I want to bring some green, more green leaves over here, but I do not know if I have the time to do it. But I want to change it badly, but so far that's what I have, and I'm okay with that. There's so many things I want to do. I wish I have the time, but yeah, it is cute, cutie. And yes, there's still, like I said, still a lot of things I can do in the front, and I still didn't pressure wash the outside of the house yet. Yes, guys, thank you so much, friends, for subscribing, and yeah, thank you for liking. Yeah, I can't complain. You guys come over. Yes, keep invite your friends to subscribe and like. Thank you. Have a blessed day.